Hello, everybody. This is Juan Salariaga from All Solar Clean Services of Orlando. Today, I just want to let you know something important that I just find out today. Is so important for everybody to know if they are asking me questions, how they can find out if they are producing enough power, enough energy, kilowatts, whatever you want to call it, in your solar panels. First of all, you need to be sure that those panels they've been installed correctly by the company who installing them. They should be giving you all the information about what the kind of production the panels should be making. They should be giving you an app that you can download it on your phone. And if you don't have an app, you will be able to check your production monthly with the bill that you're getting from the energy company. No matter what, it will tell you how much production you are giving to the grid. Grid is to the company, and how much money, how much kilowatts are you getting back from the production of the panels that you do. So, with all those, over all that information that you get, you will find out that if you are producing enough or not. If you don't, you need to clean your solar panels as soon as possible. That way, the production will go back to 100% production. So your bill will go down and you will be getting more kilowatts for your solar panels. If you have any questions, please reach out to us through our website www.allsolarcleanservices.com, or you can give us a call at 407 663 3148 to have your panels clean and done correctly. Thank you. You have a good day.